Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make compound units in Tally. Compound units are a powerful feature that allows you to combine two simple units of measure, like a dozen and pieces, into a single, more descriptive unit. This is incredibly useful for businesses that handle inventory items sold or purchased in different related quantities, ensuring accurate tracking and simplified management. Before you can create a compound unit, you must first establish the individual simple units it will comprise. For instance, if you plan to create dozen of 12 NOS, you'll need to have dozen and NOS already defined. To do this, go to the gateway of Tally, select Inventory Info, then Units of Measure, and choose Create to set up these foundational units. Now let's define the compound unit itself. On the unit creation screen, change the unit type from simple to compound. Then, select your first unit like dozen. Next, specify the conversion factor, which would be 12 if 1 dozen equals 12 pieces. Finally, select your second unit, such as NOS, and accept the screen to save this new combined unit. Once your compound unit is set up, you can seamlessly use it in your purchase and sales transactions. Tally will automatically handle the quantity conversions, simplifying your entries. It's important to note that compound units have a fixed conversion factor, like 1 dozen always being 12 pieces. This differs from alternate units, which offer flexibility for varying conversions per item or even per transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.